guys, it's Nigeria. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we are going to be doing Sppoktorial season 2 episode 4. In today's video, we are going to be doing a lava girl inspired makeup look. I'm so excited. I have literally always been like in love with like Shock Boy and Lava Girl when I was younger. Like it was literally one of my favorite movies of like all time. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do like a Lava Girl inspired look. Obviously she doesn't like wear makeup or anything. My hair isn't really red. It got a little bit of like an auburn tint to it. I did my eyebrows off camera and I made them kind of like auburnish red just to like get ready. But yeah, I'm super excited to do this video because like I said, I've been in love with this movie ever since I was like younger. It's just been one of my favorite movies of all time, and I'm just like, let's do a Lava Girl inspired makeup look. So I made like this little face chart thing. Honestly, I'm so nervous to like bring this to life because I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I've been sitting here looking at this and yeah, I made it, but I'm like, ugh, like how am I gonna do this with makeup? So like I feel like I'm gonna try to like stay in frame so you guys can see what I'm doing instead of like explaining it, because I feel like it's gonna be kind of hard to explain, not the eyeshadow but like everything else. So anyways, enough of me rambling. I'm just nervous, so I'm trying to like delay the inevitable, but you know what, let's try it together. Get your makeup brushes, get your eyeshadow pads, because we're gonna do this together. So if you want to see my Lava Girl inspired makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, it's like warm in my room and I'm wearing like this little like turtleneck thing, as you can see kind of like in the intro. So I'm gonna turn on my fan so you guys can kind of hear like a little like zzz, like sound in the background. It's a really small fan, so hopefully you can't hear it, and I'll try to like project my voice so you can't hear it, but like it's hot, so I need something or I literally am going to pass out with like these lights and everything. Like it's a no. So yeah, anyways, let's get started. So I'm going to prime my eyes with the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 20, and I think I'm gonna just dab a little bit of shade 16 in there just so it's not super like light. I'm gonna dip a bit of that on there, and I'm gonna blend that with the Morphe sponge. So first I am going to take the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take the Morphe M504 brush. I'm going to go into the yellow and dip into the orange because we're going to kind of do like a, like you've seen in the face chart. So we're going to start off with orange in the inner corner. I've said this before and I'll say it again, if you don't have one of these like dry brush cleaner things, then like get one, because it'll be your best friend. Unless you have like 101 of the same brushes, then this thing is like amazing because you can just take the brush that you just used, wipe it off, and then it's like clean and like ready to use a different color. So I'm just going to take just the yellow and blend this out some more with just the yellow. I love my eyebrows today. I think I might do like this auburn color 24/7. I feel like it matches my hair better too. So I'm also going to take some of that yellow a little bit down the bridge of my nose. And now in that same palette, we're going to take this like reddish color. It kind of is like a reddish pink color, and we're going to take that on a Morphe M330 brush, and we're going to start blending that on the outer part of the eye. Now on a big flat brush, we're going to take some more of that orange and put it on the lid in the front part of the eye. So basically where you put the transition shade, you're going to put that orange in the same spot. That pinkish red color that we used on the outer corner, and put that on the lid as well, on the outer part of the lid. Okay, so my camera like stopped, so I was like, let me just take this time to go off camera and do my foundation. But I also added, as you can see on the bridge of my nose, kind of like some blending. So first I just took the orange from the Zulu palette and blended it on my nose, and then with the Morphe M441 brush, I just took yellow and like went all over it to blend it out. And then with a really tiny blending brush, I just put some of that pinkish color on the outer corner into the middle, just so it creates like a lava type blend effect. So yeah, you'll see it better when I do a close-up. So now it's time to do the lava effects on the face. I'm very nervous, but I think it's gonna be good. So let's just get started. So first, what I think I'm going to do is I'm gonna like take the CC Beauty palette, the white in the CC Beauty palette. If you have like a white pencil liner, this will work better because it's not as like creamy. This is kind of just gonna be for mapping out where we want the lava on our face at, so that's what I'm gonna use. And as you can see by the face chart, it's kind of like, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm gonna do one here. I'm gonna use concealer instead of the CC Beauty palette as kind of like the base. So I'm gonna take the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 20 like we used. And I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand. And with a big flat brush, we're gonna take it on the big flat brush. We're basically just gonna go in the middle of everything that I like lined out. I don't know which technique I was going to use, but I think I'm gonna use a similar technique to what I did on the sides of my nose. So first I'm gonna take the Morphe M433, and with the Zulu palette I'm gonna take some of the yellow and put it in the middle. Now we're gonna take this small blending brush, and with the orange we're gonna go around the yellow. Then I'm gonna take that pinkish color that we put in the outer corner of the eyes and also go around. So now I'm just taking the Alexis Stone Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette, and I'm taking the darkest red and going around the very outside. I never say this because I kind of just like do what I can do, but obviously if you ever like do this look or whatever, contacts and wigs add so much to like a Halloween look. So like obviously you can like do that or whatever. I just feel like I never really say that, but kind of like imply. Now I'm going to dip into the darkest pink, the red, and a little bit of the black. And now I'm going to take the darkest pink and some of the black and just put little like dots into it to make it look more like lava. CC Beauty palette again, and I'm gonna take the white, and then I'm gonna put it in the middle of the yellow just so it kind of looks like that glowing, like it looks like it's glowing a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna do a close-up because it kind of looks better close up than like from afar. But look, you see this? This is kind of what it looks like close up. This looks the best from afar. So, and now moving on to the under eye. And for the under eye, we're just gonna take the same colors that we used at the top. So like this pinkish color, we're gonna put on the outer corner at the bottom. And then we're gonna take the orange. So now I'm gonna go off camera and put on a lash. I'll do a close up. Like I said, it looks better close up. It kind of looks a little crazy from a distance, but it looks good up close. So yeah, I'm gonna go off camera and put on a lash, and I'm just gonna do like a nude lip. I don't really want to like do anything super loud because like it'll just be crazy. So I'm gonna go off camera and put on a lash, and then I'll come back for the final reveal. Okay, so I just went off camera and put on a lash and just did kind of like a nude lip like I said I was going to. And guys, I am so obsessed with this makeup look. Like I don't know, it just gives me so much life. And maybe it doesn't like, okay, I feel like because she doesn't like have on makeup or anything, it kind of is like Lava Girl, but like my interpretation of it. I love this look so much. I think it's so cute. Oh, I also put a little bit of red eyeshadow just under my mouth and a little bit on my Cupid's bow. I don't know, I just felt like it brought everything together, especially with this like turtleneck. If you buy like a Lava Girl costume like online, the one like a pink fiery wig like she has, literally I feel like you would be like the best dressed at the party. Like you would literally win costume of the year, especially if you have like a significant other who can be like Shark Boy. No matter if it's like a boy or a girl, it can be like Shark Boy and Lava Girl. It'll just be like so fire. I love this look so much. I want to know if you guys recreate this look. If you recreate this look, you can tag me on Instagram and on my other social medias. I just really want to see how you guys do this look. I've seen other people do Lava Girl and their little like lava things looked so much better than mine, so I want to see how you guys do it in your interpretation of it. I love this look. I literally never want to take it off. I think this is my favorite one so far in this series. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know how this looks to you guys. I tried my best. This is my first time ever doing like something that looks like lava with different layers. Like I said, use your interpretation. If you don't feel like it looks that much like lava, like just think about it a little bit. But I love this look so much and I hope you guys liked it as well. I hope you guys liked me doing it because like I said, it's like one of my favorite looks. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload so you don't miss another spooky video. If you want to watch episode 1 through 3, 1, 2, 3, whatever, if you want to watch the other episodes in this series, you can. It'll be linked down below. I also did a Sppoktorial. Obviously this is season 2, so I did a Sppoktorial season 1. That'll also be linked down below. And yeah, I'm just super excited to continue making these videos with you guys. Like I said, recreate this. It's so fun. I'll put the face chart here. You'll also see it like on my Instagram. If you recreate it, just tag me. This is so fun, especially if this is like your childhood, you know. Like I was so in love with this movie growing up, so this is like my childhood and I'm just like in love with it. Like I'm forever going to be Lava Girl. I'm never taking this makeup off. Like I just love it. So I hope you guys liked it as well. Like I said, I'll do a close-up right here so you guys can kind of see more of the details of the little like lava things. Like I said, I like the way it looks. I feel like there is some improvement that I can do for the future, but I still love it and like that's all you can ask for, I guess. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. And since you're already here, you might as well watch another video, whether it be the other videos in this Sppoktorial series or just another video on my channel. I would love to have you guys join the family. Like I just love each and every one of you, so like join the family so you can receive my love. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.